1, 2, 3, how we made.
Do whatever it's gonna take to keep my baby small. I'ma do whatever it's gonna take to shake these hands off. Put it on, put the cows, I just want. Hey man, what's up man? It's your boy Jay back with another banger, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But look man, first off, let me get this out the way, man. If y'all like the new intro, let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the post notifications, man, because we don't do nothing but drop bangers around here, man. But look, right now I don't know what I got going on, man, but you know what I'm saying? I said, let me pick up the camera, film something for y'all, man. Let me get some of this content, man. So look, I'm finna head to the city, see what I find. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, so look, change of plans, man. So I found out it's a exotic car meet show or something going on at this place. So we're gonna go check it out, see what they got going on, you know what I'm saying? Get all this content, man. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all, man, I just made it here, man. Look, man, on the way in, I ain't gonna lie, they got a little something out here. They got a little something, but I'm finna walk over here and show y'all, man. I see a whole lot of BMWs. I see a GTR. I see the new M4. I'm seeing a couple things, man. But I'm finna get over here and show y'all, man. So started off, I see a C8 right here. I like that blue one. What you driving out here? What you driving?
Little 650.
You in the 650 BMW right here? Oh, okay. All right. Convertible. All right. What year this is?
08.
08. All right. Okay. All right. We got BMW right here. BMW going crazy. Got the red guts in there. Oh, he can pop it.
Here we go.
Got a little carbon fiber on the side. Oh, there's a carbon fiber.
Get you something to drink right now. Get your bottle. Get you something to eat.
Hey, this BMW truck right here though, I forget which one this is. It might be an X6. We're gonna go to the back. Yeah, I know it's an M though. Let's see. It's an X5 M. And they got the foreign tags on them. They just got this an M50i. Okay. I mess with this color. It's like a dark purple. Yeah. We got BMWs out here. BMWs going crazy. Oh yeah, this is the D8. This is the D8 version right here, y'all. Yeah. And it's hard top, drop top. Yep. Yeah, that's another
I probably never spend. I just bought my beautiful bitch. Now that's another biz. I just bought all my friends. They bought my brothers in. I don't see nobody but me. Who I'm gonna lose to? I can't go to
M7 right here, y'all.
That's an M4. They remember me from 7 now.
Oh, M8. It's M8. I thought it was M7. I said Rick. It's hard though. I knew that was the M4 though. I was looking at one of them on the channel, y'all. Oh, that's crazy. Look, man, we finna find out where this man Chevy at, man. Cause Chevy out here, oh, here go, speaking of him. That boy Chevy over here with it. Hey, sir, excuse me, what you driving? What you driving? BMW, where it is?
Oh, down there.
Which one?
Yeah, you can't see it, it's on that side.
That got that boy Chevy Shorty, man. My boy don't put the chain on. He all stuffed out with the pulses. Yes, sir. What's going on with you, my boy? Shit. Yeah, hey, man. That M8 hard. Hey, but you know this is killer right here. This killer hill can't hear it.
Yeah, you know that's real quick. Baby on
so they blasting the music, but
It's gonna be hell tonight.
we gon' say what?
It's gonna be hell with that copyright today.
Nah. But yeah, we got Miami Detailing over there. But look, Miami Detailing, that's part of the business right there. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna, hold on, we might have something for you, dude.
The motherfucking layup. I been Steph Curry with the shot. Big Steph Curry with the pop, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. I'm getting serious, boy. Only y'all, man.
It's a convertible though. I want the hard top. I don't want the convertible.
Cause I got all the hits, boy. Boy, all that drink, you gotta chill.
I don't like how the back
I be on my
is
nose,
when it's
drill.
up. You see how that is? I don't like how the back is on that one. Like the back on the convertible don't look right to me.
So now I'm on the
It's just the body side. The body lines don't look the same on the hard top compared to the the convertible.
Comeback season in the works, and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the studio every night, late night.
This is the sale, y'all, man. Yeah. She got the see-through wood. Y'all see it. Can't go wrong with a BMW. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though. Oh yeah. See, like that one, shit. That's the hard time. You see how the body lines? You feel me? It looks different. It's like a convertible. You got a long trunk.
We got the BMW.
With the convertible.
Big Benz is out today. I see a few on here.
But look, man, I just got a G2R right here.
We bring them whips out, baby. Let's hear.
Yes, sir. We got G-Wagon, we got a McLaren up in there. We got the Audi. BMW go crazy. That one especially right there go crazy. We got the truck, the high country. Hey, forget the trucks gonna be here with you. So we finna go over here and look at the McLaren real quick. This junk is stupid right here, y'all, man. I had to get this on camera. How the mirror look. Y'all gotta see the lights blue, but the mirror light up. Hey, how you made that mirror light up, man? It's all hard though. I ain't gonna cap to you. Hold on, he finna make you do it. Watch this.
Oh, they are.
Y'all see it? Yeah. That's y'all tough. That's y'all tough. No cap. Yeah. Here we got the M8. Man, my boy John go stupid. We got the BMWs lined up, man. Y'all see it, man. M8. Oh. With the red guts, white with the red guts, man. Y'all see it, man. Then we got the black over here. Same, but see-through hood, and it changed colors. Yeah. Y'all ain't seen that yet. Yeah. Yes, sir. M4s go crazy, no cap. Hold on, he gotta hit it. Hit it one more time. Hit it one more time. One more time. Gotta hear it one more time.